Bakit ang taas ninyo, guys? Ang short ko. Uy, ang bango. Look, ang bango. So,
Good morning, Philippines!
good morning. Today is Tuesday. Ulan sa labas. Yes, it's raining. Guys, I can't even sit down over there doing my laptop here. I was sitting down over there, but pumunta siya sa likod ko and then he pushed me away. Oh, look at that leg. That's the one pushes me. Oh, you pushed Mama away, Bug? You did? You pushed me away. What are you doing over there? What are you doing over there? I would like to sit over there. Hui. 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 Little man. Why, Bug? Why? You try to. Hi, Bug. I love you. I love you, Bug. What? He's such a cute little man. You like to clean yourself all the time because you're a clean little baby boy. Look at this. Look at this cute little man. You are such a cute little boy. You are such a cute little cat. I love this man. I love this boy. I love this little bug we have here. This is the only man we only have. This is the only little boy we have. Look at the face. He said, Mama, what is that all about? He gave me that weird look. Hello. Hey! Kumusta po kayo dyan? Wala ako sa, guys, yung ulo ko ang sakit. Anyway, so, kailangan kong guys, tawag nito, mag-grocery. Kailangan kong bumili ng dish washing soap. And, pa yung oil. Kasi walang oil, diba? And, meron pa yung leather. And, pa ba? Maghanap ako ng Cajun seasoning para sa Cajun. And then, parang bibili ata ako ng lobster. Isa para sa filming ko. So, yun lang. And, I think I need just my key, cell phone, wallet. Yeah. And it's time to wear shoes because it's cold. Let me see if it's still raining. If it's raining, I'm gonna wear my raincoat. And this one right here, guys, alam nyo ba? Hindi ako makaupo. Kanina pa yan dyan. Hindi ako makaupo. Upo. Hindi ako makaupo. Kanina pa yan dyan. So, lalakad lang ako, guys. I'm not going to bring you with me, guys, or drive with the camera on the dashboard or in the window. And I really just need to go because wala akong video sa isang channel. Hi, guys! I am back. Nakabalik na ako, guys. And I'm so happy, guys, because I've been looking for this seasoning, specifically this one, this kind. This is the Cajun. It's a different one. The brand is Red Rack, you know, seasoning. But it's Cajun spicy rub. Oh, this is the rub. I guess you can just, you know, pour it in this, but as long as it's just Cajun. And also, I got something favorite for pets. Odor eliminator, you know, there is pets. And finally, guys, this is $17 for this oil. Yeah, I got this one because this is what we always use, extra virgin olive oil. It's expensive. Meron na akong, hala, ba't ganito? Ano, pang wash ng dishes. Dawn liquid. It's like, oh my god. Ah, it's the $16. The cat leather. Expensive talaga. The cat leather is expensive. I got this seasoning spices for the seafood boil for my other channel. And also, I got Old Bay seasoning. I have here. This is the original. It's like, you know, this is like, it's not hot. This one, it tells you it's hot. That means it's spicy. So I want to try this or this. I want to try this first and then this. And yeah, the paprika. And I get carrots for the monkey, for me. Eating. And what else I got? Of course, I got the bread. Me and for Hobbs, which is the Hawaiian bread. And I also, guys, this is expensive, guys. Oh my god. You know how much is this? $29. Lutuin ko to, ipipilm ko yan. And also scallion. Dito to. And yes. So, time check, it is 2:38 na ng hapon. And it's the rain start already anyway. The rain just started. And ano ko lang, guys, I'm just gonna clean this up and then I'm going to cook this. And I'm gonna film this later para may video tayo bukas sa isang channel. So, ito yung gagamitin ko, guys. Para sure na hindi siya masira. Okay, let's go out. Where is it? Ang ginaw sa labas. Ang ginaw. Sobrang ginaw. Nag-sweater na ako, guys, dahil sobrang ginaw. Okay, so, lagyan natin ito ng tubig, guys. So, konting tubig lang yung nilagay ko, as in, konti. Ba't ang ano nyo? Nilagyan ko lang siya ng takip, guys, para naman, ang taas ninyo, oy, bakit ang taas ninyo, guys? Ang short ko. I want a short man. Ilagay ko nga kayo dito, ang tataas ninyo, bang, taas ninyo. Yan, mag-ano lang ako, ang taas talaga ninyo, guys. Kalon kayo, iba tumaas kayo konti. And nagbubukal-bukal na siya, guys. Boiling na, guys. So, mag-film tayo dito. Ang gagawin ko dito, guys, next is, kung gusto nyo itong makita, guys, i-film ko siya sa isang channel. So, doon natin siya mag-ASMR ako. And then, ang gagawin ko is after everything is melting, like the butter and everything, I'm just going to pour this here. Ipo-pour ko lang siya, ipo-pour. Ipa-pour peer per peer. Dahan-dahan lang talaga guys, kasi, ano guys. Ilagay na natin siya doon. Ang sarap nito. Ang bango din. Uy, ang bango. Look, ang bango. So, ilagay natin siya doon. Hold on guys, Guys, tapos na akong nag-film guys. Ngayon, tinatransfer ko na lang yung clip ng ASMR ko sa laptop and also while watching TV. Binigyan ko na sila ng pagkain, hindi kumakain pa rin. So, kung magutom sila na yung bahala. So, anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog because wala naman akong ginagawa talaga and I'm just like editing the video. And katatapos lang namin nag-FaceTime ni Tami. Thank you guys so much and I hope you enjoy into this vlog. And yeah, thank you guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Good night. Bye-bye.